Hello everyone, I am Vishwa. As part of Microsoft's Power Up program, I am here to present the solution for the parking challenge. We'll see the contents. We have total 6: project brief, high level requirements, assumptions, solution walkthrough, Power BI demonstration, and last, how I can extend my solution. Coming to the project brief, a school named Contoso faces challenges with parking availability that leads to complaints. To address this, the team seeks a better understanding of parking usage versus occupancy, and they have requested us to build a simple system that enables users to request parking on a daily basis. Additionally, that system should facilitate the inspection of parking spaces by a member from the staff. Now we'll see the high level requirements. We have been asked us to create a dedicated publisher data model consisting of three tables: vehicle, parking request, and parking inspection. These three tables are related with each other. A model driven app used by visitors and staff to request for parking on a daily basis, a Canvas app used by a parking inspector to log the inspections, and a Power Automate Cloud Flow to confirm parking request. A Power BI report that supports the organization in managing their parking more effectively. Coming to the assumptions, there is just one inspection happen each day at 5 pm. The inspection is performed by a member of staff using a Canvas app on a tablet device. Requests made after the inspection, that is after 5 pm, are not valid. We have only 15 car parking spaces available at any one time. Here is the solution snapshot that contains total 7 items. I am going to walk through. Yeah, this is the model driven app. I have added three forms to this app: vehicles, parking request, and parking inspections. Okay, in this model driven app, we can create, modify, or delete the records. I'll click on this vehicle name. You can see the related parking requests and parking inspections, and this can be implemented through subgrids. Now I'll create parking requests and see whether the flow triggers an email or not. Here we have to look for the vehicle name. I'll select this vehicle and requested date time. I'll choose today. I'll request for 10 am and I am saving the record. We'll wait for 1 or 2 seconds and see whether the email got received in the user's account. Yeah, you can see, right? We have created request for this vehicle and it says request got confirmed. Yeah. Now we'll see how the flow is working. The flow is very simple. When a row is added to the parking request table, it retrieves the ID and checks for the condition. That is, if the requested parking time is before 5 pm, it is evaluated to true. else false, and perform some set of actions, sending an email and updating the request status field in parking request table. Yeah, now we'll see the Canvas app. Here is the home screen. I have added two navigations. One is review and new inspection. Review. Review inspections. Inspectors can review the inspections page. Happened today. Right now we don't have any inspections happen, and we'll create one new inspection. Yeah. We'll select the vehicle, the same vehicle where we selected for the parking request. XYZ, this one, and you can see the related parking request number and time, and you can submit the inspection form. Now you can see the review page. I'll demonstrate what is invalid parking by submitting one more inspection here. I'll submit one inspection for this vehicle where the parking request is not created. Yes, you can see there is no active parking request for today. I'll submit this one. Now review the inspections page. You can see it is highlighted as invalid parking. And one more thing I want to highlight in new inspection is you can also create new vehicle if the vehicle is not presented in this list. You can enter the name, make, model, image and submit the request. Then you can submit the inspection. Now we'll see the Power BI report. I have created this report from the perspective of inspections. I have added 3 pages: home page, report filters and parking review. You can apply the filters in this page, and these filters will be automatically applied to the parking review page. I have added dates, make and model of the vehicle. You can now navigate to the parking review. Out of 100 percentage, we have 89% of inspections with valid requests. You can have a look at total inspections trend, inspections by vehicle and parking request detail. Here I have provided the link. You can click on this link and modify the inspections as well. If you see, this is the inspection. You can navigate to the respective parking request. For the vehicle details, you can click on this vehicle. I would like to extend my solution with these key ideas. Inspection should happen real time using these technologies, and we have to add occupancy details. Based on occupancy, parking request should either be approved or rejected. And we have to add 2 more columns to the parking request table. Is request approved, notification sent. Notification sent by default takes the value as no, and the Cloudflow should be modified accordingly. When the request got approved, the Cloudflow sends an email and updates the notification sent to yes. In this way, we can prevent firing duplicate emails. Thank you. Please provide me the feedback.